Two Cats and a Monkey. One day, after a long and exciting playtime, two cats were going back home together. Suddenly, they saw a loaf of bread lying on the ground. They were both tired and hungry and wanted to eat the bread.
"Let's break the bread in two and eat it,"
said the Ginger Cat.
"Yes, that's a good idea,"
nodded the Grey Cat. But they couldn't decide who would break the bread in equal sizes, and soon they started fighting. A little monkey was sitting across the road. He was planning to go to sleep, but overheard the cats arguing and decided to go to them.
"Why are you two fighting?"
asked the monkey.
"Let me help you two and break the bread in two equal parts."
The cats thought that it was a good idea. They trusted the monkey and agreed to his offer. Monkey took the bread and broke it into two pieces. But one piece was larger than the other one.
"Oh, the bread in my right hand is larger than the bread in my left hand. Let me take a bite of the bigger piece to make them equal," said the monkey. He took a bite from the bread in his right hand, but the bite was too big. "Oh, now the bread in my left hand is bigger. Let me take a bite to even both pieces out."
The monkey took another bite of bread. And again, the bite was too big, and they were left with unequal pieces. Monkey suggested taking a bite again and again, until he ate the whole bread and smiled at the cats.
"Well, that was a good meal. I'm sorry I couldn't help you. It was impossible to break that bread into two equal pieces," said the monkey. "Now I must go."
Little Monkey left with a satisfying grin on his face. Hungry cats sat down and looked at each other. They felt lied to and tricked. Soon the kitties realised that if only they hadn't been fighting among themselves, they would have the tasty loaf of bread.